If someone asks you, what do you do for fun? Do you just say, I like walking or watching TV? But let's go deeper into that. Today I want to give you 3 phrases, 3 bullets, to help you describe what you do in your free time and how you interact with others over shared interests. Whether you're commuting to work, walking your dog, drinking your morning coffee, or taking a shower, I believe you will have just a few minutes to stay here with me. And I will give you 3 phrases, 3 bullets to improve your English. By the end of this episode, in just a few minutes, you're gonna have those bullets and you're gonna be able to use them easily and you're gonna enjoy using them. You will see. Welcome to English Bullet, the channel where we fire up your day with practical English and powerful motivation for your business and for your life. Having used English in business for almost 30 years, I'm here to share what I've learned. Let's get started. The first phrase, the first bullet, to take up doing something, a hobby or activity. It means to do something for the first time, a hobby or activity. It's used when you're talking about your New Year's resolutions, when you decide you're going to do something new this year, or a new interests. For instance, I decided to take up photography because I wanted to capture my travels better. So I decided to try photography because I wanted to take more photos traveling different places. Or have you ever considered taking up a team sport like volleyball, which means that you ever think of trying a team sport like volleyball, to take up something.
I've decided to take up photography because I want to capture my travels better.
The second bullet, the second phrase, very nice one, to unwind, which means to relax after a tough period of intense work or some stressful time. It's more sophisticated way to say relax or chill out. For instance, listening to jazz music is my favorite way to unwind after a tough day at work, which means that it's my favorite way to relax after a tough day at work. Or we went to the mountains over the weekend just to unwind and get away from the city, which means we went to the mountains just to relax, to distress, and get away from this bustling city life, to unwind.
We went to the mountains over the weekend, just to unwind and get away from the city.
And the third bullet, the third phrase, to get together, which means to meet socially, but it's less official than saying a meeting. It implies this casual, friendly hangout, this casual atmosphere. Is a very good way to suggest plans with your friends. For instance, you meet someone and you say, we should get together for a coffee sometime next week, which means we should meet, but it's less officially said. Or the whole family is getting together to celebrate my sister's graduation, which means we have this friendly family meeting to celebrate sister's graduation, to get together.
Nice to see you.
We should get together for coffee sometime next week.
So to sum up, we talked about taking up a new hobby, a new activity, about unwinding, which means to relax after a stressful time or difficult time, and about getting together, which means to meet in a friendly, casual atmosphere. Your hobbies are the heartbeat of your personality. Don't just work to live. Find something that makes you feel alive. Every new skill you learn makes your world a little bit bigger. You deserve your time to unwind. So I hope you enjoyed this few minutes. I hope you have these 3 bullets that you're gonna now be able to use easily in your conversations. So, stay with me for more. Subscribe to the channel, share this video with your family and friends, and stay tuned for more. Have a good one.